something about water. Just something about it. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then welcome. If you are returning, then welcome back. Oops. If you are returning, then welcome back. So today is our 6-week update. Honestly, I don't know if I'm 6 weeks or if I'm 7 weeks. Actually, let me check my calendar right here. It's 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 6 weeks. Oh, I'm going on 7 weeks, actually. Okay, so this is gonna be my 6 to 7 week update. My bad, you guys, sorry. That's really exciting. I am almost at my 2-month mark, which is just crazy. I feel like time is going by really, really fast. I don't know if you guys can relate, but honestly, I feel like it's Monday and then I wake up and it's Thursday and then it's Sunday. Ugh. This is not a chit chat video, but if you guys want chit chat videos, let me know. But this is not a chit chat video. It is, but it's a chit chat about my hair. I have notes here because I would have definitely forgotten what I had to say about my hair. So I wrote some notes down. So if you guys see me kind of glancing this way, I'm looking down at my notes, okay? I'm not being rude. If you've watched any of my other videos before, then you would know I put my locks in by myself. So DIY starter locks, I do have a video for me installing my locks if you want to know how I did that. I'll put that here. I've also done one retwist. I did my retwist at the 4-week mark. Yeah, around there. Some of them are still retwisted, most of them are not. I shampoo my hair every 2 weeks, so that has been still pretty consistent with me. I did just shampoo my hair a couple of days ago, so my hair is feeling good, it's looking good. I love having like fresh, clean hair, you guys. Like, I love it. I'm using the Paul Mitchell Tea Tree shampoo. I do sometimes get dry scalp, so that shampoo has worked really, 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 really well. Like, if you are a person that gets dry scalp, I highly recommend that shampoo. This is not sponsored, unless Paul Mitchell, if you want to sponsor your girl, you could sponsor me. You could. My email is in the description. Email me. I just love their shampoo, you guys. I don't really feel like I see many flakes at all, and that was something I was really, really, really worried about, because when I was doing my research on starter locks, I noticed that some people were getting like dry scalp flakes stuck into their locks, and first off, that just like grosses me out a little bit. Like, or flakes, it's just kind of like eh. We're actually kind of recommending that you don't get locks if you have an extremely dry scalp issue or dandruff issue, because that can just get lodged into your locks and then you can't really get it out. Like, ugh, like that sounds really nasty. But two, I just don't want that to happen. I don't want my locks to look flaky. I don't want them to look like there's a bunch of white stuff in them. So I was really concerned. However, about, I would say, a month prior to me deciding to commit to these, I started using that shampoo. And that shampoo has definitely changed the game. I really don't see flakes like that. Honestly, like, I really don't see flakes like that. I'm pretty consistent with how often I wash my hair, so that probably helps, but that's that. So I love that I'm shampooing every 2 weeks, you guys. If you guys are starting off your locks and you're trying to figure out, you know, how often should you shampoo, you want to do what your hair is telling you to do. So if your hair is getting dry and dirty, and if you work out a lot, if you sweat a lot, then you're probably gonna need to wash your hair a lot more. I personally get dry scalp. I am building a home gym, so I'm probably gonna be sweating a lot more pretty soon. Plus it's just getting hot, and I've just been like sweating because I'm just hot. I feel like it's just keeping my hair really healthy. I feel like it's keeping my scalp really healthy. Yeah, I've been happy with that. Now let's talk about conditioning my hair, because when I was first doing research when it came to, you know, cleansing your locks and conditioning, I was noticing that a lot of people were like super anti-conditioner. Like, it was like, no conditioner, I don't condition my locks, do not condition your locks. If you condition your locks, they're gonna unravel, and then they're gonna, you know, your hair's never gonna lock, and then the conditioner's gonna get stuck into your lock, and then it's going to be build up. And okay, all right, okay. Pretty much felt like, okay, I can never condition my hair. However, I have like 4C hair, but I was really concerned about this because my hair needs conditioner, you guys. Like, for real. My hair needs conditioner. Like, my roots are thick, bro. They're thick. They're dry. they're kinky. I need conditioner. My hair needs conditioner. So I was trying to listen to what the people were saying, you know, because they have, you know, super mature locks and they seem like they've been in the game for a minute, and I want to do this right. So I was not conditioning my hair like at all. I shampooed my hair a total of 3 times. I shampooed it a couple days ago. I shampooed it like 2 weeks ago, and then I shampooed it 2 weeks before that. So the first 2 times that I shampooed my hair, I did not use conditioner because I just felt like that's not what you're supposed to do. I don't want buildup. I don't want them to come unraveled, whatever. Yo, you guys, hey. My hair was so dry. I don't think you guys are hearing me. My hair was so dry. It was just like, okay, look, I've had mini twists before. You know, obviously these are like permanent, but I've had mini twists before. You know, I've been natural for, what, 6 years or so. Like, I know my hair should never be this dry, bro. It's dry like my throat right now because I need some more water. So hold on. And I was really concerned because I was like, damn, if this is what it is and this is what it's about to be, am I just going to forever have dry locks? Like, is my hair just always going to be crispy? Am I just going to have crispy locks? Like, how are people not using conditioner? Like, what do you mean? Like, I don't care. There is not enough oil in the world that I could put into my hair to have it be the type of softness and moisturizedness that it needed to be to succeed in life. There's not enough oil. There's not enough spray bottles and oil in the world because my hair is not like that. Like, oil for me is a great sealant. It's an awesome sealant. And I do use oils primarily. Like, that's what I use throughout the weeks. But I can't have dry hair and then think I'm just gonna put some oil on it and it's just gonna hydrate it. Like, no, my hair needs to be hydrated, and then throughout the week I'm just keeping it hydrated, if that makes sense. So this is a long-winded way to say that I needed to condition my hair. Started, you know, obviously doing even more research and watching even more videos than the 525 videos I probably already watched. I decided to watch more, you know, reaching out to more people on Instagram and just other people that have been in their lock journey a little bit longer, and just really asking more questions about conditioner. And I came across a few people where I really love their locks. Like, their locks are beautiful and thick and healthy and clean and gorgeous, and they use conditioner. I could just be being like a rebel towards this whole process, and maybe I'll regret it. Maybe 5 years down the line, I'm gonna make a video that's gonna be like, sis, don't ever use conditioner. But right now, today, I am going to start conditioning my hair more often, because the last time I shampooed my hair, I conditioned it for like 5 minutes, and I don't put a whole lot because I don't want the buildup. I don't want it to get stuck in my locks. So I do have a method so that it's not like going, you know, all up in there, but it needed conditioner, and I feel like my hair feels 5,000 times better. Like, I feel like my hair, it feels so much softer. Like, not soft to the point where it's unraveling. Like, it's still very much so going through its process, but it just feels healthier. Like, let me know in the comments. I know some people might be coming at me in the comments like, sis, don't condition your hair. Don't do it. But I'm telling you, I'm conditioning my hair. I might not do it every single time, but I have to condition my hair sometimes. It's made a dramatic difference in my hair. I am probably gonna take like a longer break in between retwists than what I thought. So when I first started my locks, I thought I would be retwisting like every, I don't know, like maybe every 4 to 5 weeks, I think is what I thought. I'm gonna retract that statement. I'm gonna say more like 6 to 8 weeks, maybe longer than that. I wanna see how long I can go before it's like, you know, crazy, but I do want to slow down on how often I retwist it, because I don't want my locks to get thin. I want them to get thicker, honey. We trying to get thick. not thick, but we try to get thicker than what they are right now. And that's only gonna happen if I like hold out on the retwist, which I'm okay with because I don't like the way my hair looks freshly retwist. I like this. Like, I like the fullness of my roots. I like the way this looks. Like, I like it, so it's for me. Another update, speaking of retwist, is I am thinking about going to a loctician the next time I do get my hair retwisted. So I know that in my 1 month update, I think I said I'm gonna try to hold out on, you know, going to a loctician for as long as I can, but everything changes with this process. Everything's a journey. I do want to go to a loctician a little bit earlier in my process because I want to keep my parts somewhat like together, because if I let, you know, obviously if I'm going a long time without retwisting, my parts are gonna start to kind of disappear. And then if I try to go back and repart it, I don't really trust how my parts are gonna come out. Like, I just feel like I'm gonna really start messing up my parts. I feel like it's gonna be craziness. So I feel like I wanna try a loctician so that they can just kind of manage the parts in my hair so they don't get too crazy. I need to start off strong, you know, like I need to start off with like what I like so that as they mature, it's doing what I want it to do. And I don't want to start off with just crazy partying and then 10 months down the line, like it's just looking super crazy. I don't know when my next retwist will be, so I'm going to definitely keep you guys updated on when I finally do decide to get my next retwist. I don't know when it will be, but when I do, I'm really thinking about it, and I'm definitely going to keep you guys updated on what I decide to do because I'm not too sure. So let's get into how I have been styling and wearing my hair. So as you guys can probably tell, and if you are subscribed to my channel, then you know that I put my locks in on like medium to long length hair. So as far as styling, what you guys see right now, this is like a pretty consistent style. I wear this pretty often. I'll get a little bit closer so you guys can see, but yeah, just like a couple of pieces of hair out in the front and then a very loose ponytail. I only have it on there one time so I don't, you know, cause a dent, but this is a very like common style for me. I wear my hair like this a lot. If you want to know the different styles that I'm wearing, I actually just recorded a video before I made this one, so I will have this same outfit on. I'll put the card here for that video. I'll put it down in the description, but make sure that you check that out. So let's talk about all the changes. I'm gonna take this down so I can actually just show you guys what my hair is looking like 6 weeks in. Let's talk about some changes. Ooh, I got a piece of lint. Okay, so that brings me to my next point, you guys. I've heard the lint horror stories. I've heard about them and they are entering my life. Yeah, so lint is trying to make its way in. I try to do a decent job of just keeping it out, but you know, it's something that's just gonna happen, so you just have to be cautious and making sure it's not getting lodged into your lock. But one great way to prevent lint is wrapping your hair at night. So that's something I've started doing. I wasn't wrapping my hair every night, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Wasn't doing it every night, but I've tried to be pretty consistent of wrapping it every night because that has really helped minimize like lint from my cover, from my pillows or whatever getting into my hair. So yeah, wrap your hair. Something that has changed is I have combined quite a few of these. So I know that in my 1 month, I think I had told you I had combined maybe like 1 to 2 of my locks. I have now combined probably like, I don't know, maybe like 10. I've combined a lot. I've probably combined, yeah, I've combined quite a few. It's like so many in my front were like so much smaller than the ones in my back. One here, what else? This is a combined one, this is a combined one, this is a combined one. Most of these in the front, not all of them, but most of them I doubled up in the front and I combined them because they were too small. You know, this is a commitment and you want to be happy with what you do, even if that means you have to take them out. Like if I would have had to take them out, I would have took them out. I don't want to commit to something for however many years I'm going to have these and I'm not happy with them. So I'm definitely budding. I have them happening all throughout my hair the same way I did in my 1 month update. I would say now it's just even more than what it was a couple weeks ago, which is super exciting because that means that my hair is definitely doing the thing, and it's progressing, and it's, you know, becoming the locks that they want to be. A lot of thickness at the root, which is great because I do want to let my locks thicken up some. I know they're going to thicken up a lot, but yeah, I just want to kind of hold out on retwisting a little bit so that they can get even more thick. We're going to be thick on thick, you feel me? Because your girl is thick. The hair is thick. That's what we need. Yeah, that concludes my 6-week update. I just wanted to really hop on here and just let you guys know about some of the things that have changed, because obviously there has been some changes, but I am just as happy, if not happier, with my hair. I am just so excited. I will have a 2-month update for you guys for sure. Stay tuned for that. I hope that you enjoyed this. Make sure that you like this video if you did enjoy my 6-week update, and please subscribe. Please join the family. We are almost at 500, which I think is just insane. Thank you so much for all the people that have subscribed. I will be doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, so make sure that you hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day or rest of your night, and I will talk to you guys soon.